In this video, we can learn how to set new document. Go to File menu, click your left mouse button on File menu. Then you select New or shortcut Ctrl N. Click your mouse left button. This is in progress. Once you get the new properties, document property, then you have to set your document property here. Name of the document. For example, which document you are designing. If you have business card, if you are designing brochure, you have to give proper name. 01 brochure 01. And here presets. There is a lot of presets are there according to design. See, default Photoshop, US paper, international paper, photo, web, mobile, film, custom. These are all preset sizes. According to the if you default photo size, you have a preset. If you have international paper, you can get the presets. A4 size, these are all international. Now we can choose A4 size for brochure. A4 size, brochure 1. See, A4 size is the width is 210, height is 297 mm. This unit you can change. See the pixels, inches, how we want, we can change. Inches means 8.268 by 11.693 inches. And here is resolution. Resolution of picture quality you can choose minimum 72, maximum 300. We can give the 100 per inches. Pixels per inches. Color mode. Color mode, if you are designing for print media, you can choose CMYK color. Here is available color modes. If you are designing images, you can use RGB colors. Color bit. Quality of colors. How many bits you want. This is indicating the color layers. 8-bit or 16-bit, you can choose 8-bit. Background, how we want. There are available white background, background color, transparent color. You can choose any one. Now I am choosing white background. Just say OK. It's creating new document. So it is in process. We have to wait for a few seconds. It will be processed. What are the preset we done? Is now document is created. Okay, this is about how to create new document.